Did you know you could grow garlic that's bigger than your hand? Yeah, I'm talking about elephant garlic. If you've never planted it before, or if you're struggling to grow those giant bulbs, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to plant elephant garlic step by step so you can harvest massive bulbs right from your garden. And trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's dive in.
Picking the right location.
First things first, elephant garlic needs plenty of sunlight to thrive. Pick a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun each day. The more, the better. This will help those bulbs grow big and strong. Make sure the soil is well drained too. If water sits around the garlic, it can lead to rot, and no one wants that. Prepping the soil. Next up, the soil. Elephant garlic loves nutrient-rich soil, so you'll want to mix in some compost or organic matter before planting. Get that soil nice and loose so the garlic has room to expand and grow big. If your soil is heavy or clay-like, break it up and mix in some sand or perlite to improve drainage. Planting the cloves. Now comes the fun part, planting the cloves. Elephant garlic grows from individual cloves, just like regular garlic, but they're much bigger. Break apart the bulb and plant each clove about 4 to 6 inches deep with the pointed end facing up. Make sure to space them about 6 to 8 inches apart. Give them room to grow because, trust me, these guys get big.
Watering and mulching.
Once your cloves are planted, water them well to help them settle in. After that, you won't need to water too much, just keep the soil moist, not soaked. To keep weeds down and protect your garlic, add a thick layer of mulch on top like straw or leaves. This helps lock in moisture, keeps your soil nice and cool. Fertilizing for massive bulbs. Now, here's a little secret for getting those massive bulbs fertilized. Elephant garlic is a heavy feeder, so give it a boost with a balanced fertilizer or some more compost about once a month during the growing season. This will give your garlic the nutrients it needs to really bulk up. Harvesting time. Patience is key. With elephant garlic, it takes about 8 to 9 months to fully mature, but you'll know it's ready when the leaves start to turn yellow and dry out. That's your sign to harvest. Gently dig up the bulbs, being careful not to damage them. And when you see those giant garlic bulbs for the first time, trust me, it's all worth it. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to planting elephant garlic for massive bulbs. If you follow these simple steps, you'll have a garden full of giant garlic in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.